G'day, my name is Dan Hunter, and this is the third part of my development diary for the Lethargic Lecturer version 2 game. This is a minor update. This is version 0.25. I didn't give it a number, such a whole number. Well, not a whole number, but a decimal tenth, because I didn't feel it had changed, because it was more behind the scenes changes. I added some global variables such as high scores. I created an array to keep track of level names every time you'd go on a new level. Rather than be level 1, level 2, level 3, the level names would correspond with an area within the college that the Lethargic Lecturer works at. And I've done a minor tweak to the UI. So let's just have a quick look behind the scenes to see what's going on. So I've added just a couple of basic scripts, nice and simple. Global dot and then demo, to say that the demo is on, so therefore it's going to cycle through all of the screens. That's from version 1. I'd put that global variable somewhere else, and I decided to house all my global variables together. Music on, sound on, points, high score, and the starting level. Quite simple. A number of those are Boolean flags such as music and sound. So I'm going to have options that you can switch those off. So that's quite nice and easy there. And the next thing is this comes from my mood board of the different levels that I would use. The order isn't correct yet, maybe it's open, but the first level is going to be the title screen, and then you're going to move from reception, mailroom, reprographics, staff room, computer lab, library, catering, horticultural plumbing, construction, and electrical. Look, minor mistake there, I need to get rid of that. Check spelling should definitely be on one of my test plans. And the idea behind this is that dependent on what level you're on, obviously the name will show, but the graphics of each of the enemies will change. So in the computer labs, the enemies will be computers and sparks, that kind of thing. In library, there'll be some books, because obviously books are the enemy. There's nothing written into that quite badly. What I've also done is I've created additional sprite for these variables, SPR global, just a simple box with GL on there, just so I can see it in the debug mode. And you're going to see an example of that because I've got the game booted up. There you go. So you can see that demo time is actually engaged at the moment. So with any luck, it's cycling through each of the different levels to it. And when we get to the title screen, we probably should see SPR Global. There you go. So you can see those working in the background. Nothing really changed to the game, except you can see that the level name reception is coming up there. So if I press the F10 key, with any luck, it should actually work and tell me that that's the next level. So that's